Ninja BL660 Professional Compact. 1100-watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Professional performance with 3 manual speeds, pulse, and the single serve function for to-go cups. Total crushing pitcher is perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family or entertaining guests. 64 hours. Max liquid capacity. Chop fresh ingredients evenly without any mush. Effortlessly mince, chop, grind, and blend a variety of ingredients for easy meal preparations and recipes. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Recipe inspiration includes a 28-recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more.
What are you waiting for? Get these products, very great discounts, through the links in the description, and do not forget to subscribe to receive more offers daily.